Today on the VW Ability channel, I attempt to put 13-inch wheels over 10-inch brakes. Now you ask, why would I do something like that? Because 13-inch wheels have a shorter diameter, so I can put smaller tires on there for better acceleration for short courses such as autocross or autocross's northern cousin, ice racing. I'm just going to do a quick rundown on the theory of how this works. I'm using a BMW wheel. This is rear-wheel drive offset. You can see how there's this ridge here. It's further back on the BMW than on a front-wheel drive wheel, where the ridge would be closer here. So the relationship between this and this are close, so you have 12 3/4 inches between here instead of a smaller amount between here. And then I'm going to run an adapter, and that makes this basically flush here. So I have a full 12 3/4 inches of clearance. So the wheel adapters I've got here come with these short lug nuts so they sit flush. Problem is, these are 12 millimeter and the car is 14 millimeter. So if I went with a 14 millimeter stud, a 14 millimeter bolt, I would have to cut it down, and that looks like a lot of work. My other option is a step stud. That's 14 millimeter here and 12 millimeter here. Now I don't know how strong these are, but they're a 12.9 grade, so they should be okay. And it's a lot easier to shorten a stud than it is to cut the tip off of a lug bolt. Alright, I got the studs cut down. Let's see if they fit. Alright, everything looks nice and flush here. Time to test fit the wheel. Look at that, it spins. Let's give you some close-ups here. As you can see, it's a pretty tight fit, but there is enough clearance that the wheel spins. As you can see, there's a little bit of poke here, but the diameter of these tires is so small that I shouldn't have any clearance issues. Now I just need to get the tires mounted up and we're good to go. That is, if the lakes stay frozen over. It's supposed to be in the 40s this weekend, so we might not have enough ice. Hopefully it stays cold for another couple weeks so I can at least get a couple runs in this year. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more content. Maybe I'll get some footage of the car out on the ice this year. Who knows? I hope so.